cả đón cả truy chuộc theo một xí lô mình xoan kia mình sẽ này mình sẽ này lấy bao cả ta đã vẫn luôn thêm xa bên
Gắn gì choán gì đâu em mà đến cái lão tổ lô cái lão tổ lô mình xoay là cái gì anh chế anh nhỉ mình xoay là cái gì anh chế mình tiền na cái là mình tiền na kanun nahi nang matan so kalan to se o lalis
iman som ka don ka hu mo love chuan tu reng ka nei lo ima the feel na in a put twa so rualo kong ai na min shuai na hi min shet na hi lai ba ka dan av lu tim sa
Education Center.
Hello, good morning. Here today we are in Zero for our practical ministry. We started our journey on 13 from Aizawl, our college AICS, and to reach Guwahati we took
24 more
hours,
than
and from Guwahati to Zero we took one night. And today we reached here, the beautiful place of Arunachal Zero, and we are warmly welcomed by our principal Midland Education, by his family,
and we really give thanks to them.
We really give thanks to their family for the warm welcome.
We reached here at around 6:20, right?
We reached here around 6:20
a.m.
And we had tea in the morning, and we took rest, we took bath, and we ate our lunch.
We can do our things with peaceful heart now, right?
Yeah, we can do our own things peaceful for today. They give us freedom. And then our team consists of 3 members, 1 male and 2 female, and that name is Thangunlao Guna, and one is here, our sister Lalwat Pui, Apui, and here I am, Yadao, Dao Dao, or Kongai in Mizo name. And today we will take rest, and then we will explore more of Zero. And then with our brother, we are so lucky. We have our brother Remrod Puya. He will take us.
He works as volunteer
more.
missionary.
Then, missionary. Our brother Remrod Puya, missionary. Recently, he graduated from our college. So we will graduate. We will explore more together here, and then we will show you our activities ministry, enjoyment, exploring everything. Thank you.
Can you please mention about the weather here in Zero?
Wow, the weather, to mention about that, so good. And it's very cold,
Yeah.
what Lutuk. But as of now, we can see the sun is rising, so the weather is doing fine.
Yeah.
But in the morning and at night, it is quite cold. Very, very cold, colder than Aizawl.
Daytime, it's okay.
Yeah, daytime it's okay. It's like Mizoram, Aizawl. It's like Mizoram and Aizawl itself. So we don't have much problem. But especially in the morning, we suffered a little bit because we are experiencing this new weather. Thank you.
Thank you.